Incremental things. Let's continue with the Supermemo Course plausible expansion. Now it's time for one of the errors that pops in Supermemo, especially if you use Supermemo 18. It triggers more often. The access violation dialog. So let's see how it actually happens with Fowl.
What she'll say is this. So, what she'll say is this.
Exactly. You can trigger this many ways. One is like what he did now with a user interface level. When you change themes, and in Supermemo 18 especially, if you do a subset and then you do a search after the subset, it will 100% of the time trigger this. Every single time you follow this order, subset and search, you will get that. In Supermemo 19, doesn't happen as often. Usually this is harmless. It's about in decoding something in the computer on that address that cannot be read or whatever. So no worries about that. And this happens again in about this
normal, which is this one that you see right here. And
in this case, it's because he was working with layouts. Do you see that there's a common pattern? Themes, layouts. At least if you get these on those contexts, you're guaranteed that this is harmless. It's just spammy. And yep, there's no way you can not avoid that. In Supermemo 18, what you can do is to do first the search, then the subset. The other way around. So you circumvent this error. And I think it's the only problematic. The only scenarios, it's just that you'll need to waste your time clicking OK or getting rid of the window. So this will be forever in Supermemo. Something you have to learn in Supermemo is that there are more than 5 bugs reported that have never been fixed. And they will not be fixed. It is what it is. So the point of this channel, my channel and this course, is to minimize this friction that generates and to avoid bugs. That hey, if you do this in a certain way, it's safer. You won't trigger this bug and so on, which is a plus. And I got these after many years of trial and error and experimenting. So that's the expertise you will get for free in this course. But for now, that's all. See you in the next video.